For the cookies, mix 459 grams of corn flour, 230 grams of wheat flour, 459 grams of sugar. Add half a cup of milk or more if needed, as the dough tends to be a bit dry. Mix it all. Then add some ground cloves and then some ground fennel as well. Finally, a pinch of salt. Mix it all and start forming the cookies. You then can bake it on the air fryer at 180 Celsius, 355 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And here they are, the cookies after baked. Some final notes. I like the texture the corn flour gives these cookies, and also the flavor with the fennel and the clove mix. Although my dough was a little less dry after adding more milk, the truth is that these cookies could be better with some fat added, like butter, oil, or even some eggs. I like the flavor, the consistency of the dough could be improved. The bigger cookies turned out better than the smaller ones. They were less dry and more flavorful. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.